All right, let's download Fusion. That's the first thing that we need to do, obviously. I do want to point you towards the Canvas module for Fusion resources and tutorials. A lot of these I'm also going to go through in some of these videos, so you can find them, but they exist on some of these pages. The Fusion website also has these tutorials, but I find it necessary to, in the context of this class, walk you through some of these steps. So let's first look at our first Fusion assignment, which is the readiness assignment. You'll notice here these tabs, and of course I'll go over to this in class, but it goes through everything you need to do if you click on these tabs to hand in the assignment. But the first thing that you need to do is actually installing it, and some students have had issues with the installation. So if this doesn't work for you, then come to me. So first, what you need to do, you get this link in this task 1.1. I know that you could probably skip a lot of this, you could figure it out, but just to walk everyone through it to make sure that everyone's on the same page, you'll see, it takes you to the student page. It gives you instructions for installing them. Basically, if you have an account, then we'll go through that. If you don't have an account, you need to make an account. Obviously, you can make a Fusion account first. So let's now go to, if you do have an account, it brings you to this page, the same exact page that it brings you to before, but it will also then link you to sign in. So let's sign into the account. I'm going to do that. My account is different because I have an instructor account. So let's sign in here. It's going to bring me to my page. At this point, you should be able to see all of these tabs. You can see your specific account. You should have a student account. Now, when you go make an account, you will have to put in Penn State's information, make sure you're using your Penn State email and all of that stuff, because you get this for free. Don't spend money getting Fusion. You don't have to do that. You can get this for free. At the top, you see products and services up here, and you can download a lot of products. You can download many things. One of these that you will see will be Fusion, and there will be a download button for you. If you go here to all products, like add products, this may be more like the page that you'll see, because I have an account where I have downloaded Fusion to this PC as well as, my other computers as well, where you should be able to see all of these and get access to all of these programs. In this class, we are using Fusion, but some students also like Revit. They might use it for like architectural engineering and stuff like that. Tinkercad as well is kind of fun. It's a different, like, simpler 3D design type of application, but you can totally use that. You can use AutoCAD if you want. You can use any of these things. For this class, we will be getting Fusion. When you come into here, you'll see Fusion for a student or an educator. I'm an educator. I have the educator version, but if you select the student version, you will have to put in all of this information. And then you will get a subscription. You'll end up having it for the duration of the class, at least. So you will have to put in all this information yourself. I have already done this. So it will then send you an email, and it will verify you as a student at Penn State main campus. And then you will be able to download it. So let's submit. And it will then, ask you to have a link. It will send you an email of that link. You will get to this page that says your educational access is confirmed. Come over to access your products, and then you will see this page to be able to download Fusion. So that's how to download it. If you run into specific problems or your computer cannot download Fusion, for whatever reason, sometimes certain computers have an issue with it, I'm also going to show you how to access the web version. So the Fusion Online version, literally I can just search Fusion 360 online browser version. It's this first one, this Fusion Online. You can access the browser version. Now it's a little buggier, it's a little more difficult. It doesn't have every single feature, but you know, for something like Chromebooks, this can be helpful. You can just literally click launch. It's gonna take a while to load, but yeah. So this is what it looks like once you're here. You can see your hubs. Let me go into mine so you can actually see. And there you go. You'll be able to see everything. It will carry over from your app version if you've actually been able to download it. It's all stored in your account on the cloud. So if you need, you know, quick access to Fusion, or you don't want to download it, or if you're using it someone else's computer or something like that, you can also access it from the web.